sebi HIV is ya dini bi pomoni bi abo every ni pedwe ni ma ko na ko pedro refa Vigo Plus na memene mami me say ebi nkonya ama wabo wonsem prapra edi ama edo no enchiche enkomo na bibia enkototen emfa ema bidiri Diane ebiyele Jemfi kwate na kusian kwa motivation na medema ene se asase we so what one ma eya na esefata se ewo se ade efe ne se respect ebu ewo se o mabi eduanim obi ho a omuade ne niyo na no kasa ni bibia ehese wo muade ni nipa bia so no se we respect ha bebi e wo se wudu eya na wonta mu obi a nkopo sempa nenso adibu wo mu to se akoy de enkaminyana kan be adwuma akoy de minyana kan betna pa nenso omuade lady we de enkaminyana no betna pa minyana na wa ne pa na so no kasa omuade kakra we ya yo be ye no oba na no ya be ma na no ya enti we de me na nkokra na makwa akofa miso buade kakra we also made your own back of it. And I made my no woman and Kwana, may all buy any agigin so if you want to sebi, semi-color, Jimmy, Fatchame, Sebi, Jimmy, Enti, Upia, Ufisero, or him, Mamma, Nana, Entino, Umusho, or Casso will say, we do be so, Ufiso, him, I will be so, Ufiso and I will be so, Entino, Umua dear Bakusi. So, o princess, o nana, o hemano, ala ya dia tono. E me se e o mame ifi ho. O papa ifi ho. O bisu enu mu a e na yo hema wo muso. Na o pia o se o ja no ho. Se ne be ye bebi o se udru no. O ti me edru. Se o mu ade a o business en flourish. O mu ade a o dwuma en koso. Umwadia or wadi eya na enyi because if is all your hema into bekwa wadi to kasa wukunu ho a tantan if is all wo baba akopeo ena wakọ ware no into or say be ma no sebi or that for more teacher no so ho no it doesn't work like that Mr. Calm down and respect send ebeya enoma bebre ebeba wakwema ebeye nsha and everywhere see oso bu ade kra e mawo ubu ade kra e ma favor ubu ade kra e mo bi chawade ubu ade ko bi betima tabi no na kaka mo am business yi o de be free no ojinani se misika na che kra so send one me be kasa kra no e ya na efe me bu fu kra no odwumi ma bu fu de be ye kra no me bu fu mo se na makọ na wodie e na am se ya to princess we ya to nana kwesi nana kwame nana si entino ukodum first line ho wotu kem na wo drive na nkofo befo a nana na didi enti wo fi so mo befo kan ni na no wo ye nana wo mo so enti wo bi wa no na akase o mo ho a e strain e be kakra no obi amfo ka bi obi ama shop o meto wa di bi na ya se bi so ton tade a nkwa hye mi nyina sibiya okwa de yakopon ka ho na onye akoma so ade ma e ma me nye wo hia no pe ade bi nyina ye hia de ti me so say boade se na be ya de bia no new people will come your way you make new friends and new opportunities new doors will open to you awade no kra no so boade ma we pa na we o sister we pa ni kunu bro be no ho ase me kwati bi o baby na oba no oba ni pa oba gandelia nenso obi bi na no se be yi pa se dia na ko ba ya ko fa sister we you be ma ni bro pa na sisters ni di bema no ho adanse yesi bema no dwese bema no mpane ho asem skra enti no omunya akombe hye si fie kra say retreat no look at that oba na rejata bema brand ho ase bema ati sika be wawo obrand ho ase na wo kawa kakra obehye na wo kwa yesi wodi ahye wawi enti wo huragina umuhwe pacho bafom oba de yankopon onka ho so obeyesa na boa amasebie so me say new doors will open to you. If you want beautiful glasses like I'm wearing, of course, for 0559306325. Beautiful ones available, dozens, millions, Bibri, Gucci, Dior, Louis Vuitton, Burberry, Dopibia, Ememadia, Jasper, of course, Maybach, Bibri, Mepacho Free, Najibi, Mamu Pesa Modelensi Tumne, Yebemamobi, Fefe, Maka, Italian because Maka ones, designer ones, Ninano, the best of bring up a Bibri, countless, and free, na Yemabi. And I'll pay me question for the day, maybe South say, a year, said Bema warrior, or didn't a little bit sana Sifiana. Bema a warrior, a yes or day, the no, a bet na nasty fee. Ebi abeme sikeni ho awodin ho to why na yero no ebushe fie wa na ebushe afoni nyina atie enti eja oso medo mayent na ya na dachi enoma mu dane a ma haida me akotinem ana bi kwa na na agin so bekwa kwa emu o yent na ya za ya ma me de me apartment me flat ni bi se ko haida ya de yent na ya eye se bema e de ne yere ebetna na busu fie na su fie to precise maybe so anase enye eno ena maybe so bele dia wa also de na yire efi na busu efi anase it doesn't matter emfa ho bitimi e de yire atna wa busu efi anase nyokora awade original no wode original wa sufia ana busu efi a original no anase enye hwe bitimi atna ho amanagina depending on the wife or the husband and I say busian and I say the team bia foul yirint na wo busu fi fa ni free hoko and me bisawa anope 19 minutes after 6 for me and sana ebusian for eba na sabi gafo ba be crowd no me ya me first call on the line. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. All right, just tell I know with me after. Hello, good morning. The patron on the line is so Casame Honayko.
Good morning, Obama.
Nana, what to say?
Nana,
Nana Yankopa, don't miss me where pa.
There is what you give a people who did a missing come up with us.
Let me shout around.
String a memo, string a memo. I never know what you are listening to. Bishop. Okay. No matter what, no, it's a Oklahoma days or let's talk about Woodman. Let me sound surprised. Yame enka wo ho yeda ase do bia beto nhwasem edigu yeso yakopon onye wokese wo so fe me na yenko eye se o ware wo yera na betina bisefie it doesn't really matter bisefie no eniama egu bi wasu to obi atu obi apartments no ma ware me ni san fa no ko hide fufo enko se iska ana se mfa ho yentina ho. Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning, Papa. Any ejmapa obo kuno iwi na mentia ahefu na mentia asabule kwa manyo to aso papa dan na wakan na so wa so some time take se ma pa na obo ma papa da you can na mentia you then you fact na machu dia mpo kwa say to be weekend for my and modest for na diet here to na for the chabu in fact the machu dia mpo kwa say party then no need my power we what that's now then kakra abiana ma make you na say we be ma na usunia then enka we be ma pa na wale oba odo na fa ne ngotna what to see dia and how ma me so for na so producer people now because then I will send several about Parado, Phone, Muyo, or Mexico, I don't know what can I do. awu bia ma mu nyina no ma mu nyina so so ba no wa so ba so a ente kwado country ente abunya ko enka pata wa da ko ku na atunje mra na ya mo nya nya djuma ba ko bia no wa ya
it has to Diana va I say enye be ya fanfo emwa we also do on say ebe na say emwa. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Oda now what to say
But yes, no mpa no ya pa na so e
Yakopa do patcho me se me hoye lift one of
patcho prophet Matthew bo sina dan kwa me
prophet into
but the me can say ni na Nyankopon so you gidi na so Nyankopon kwa da uti Nyankopon because quotation be baka kiwa janu na ko bata yire ho my ho number na so Abraham ni Sarah to ma mi fi my bona isina no enyame ne lidien kisesum Nyankopon ne lidien e ne lidien empian fa onyame si kna ho nyame si ko hada no yire kwetna ne nkwetna sana tie ene bebre no pri ho ko ha so no mun tintia daika na ko ba kwetna na mo na be ma kwetna da fo nchen empian na Nyankopon esi chi Nyankopon si ne ye hulim ene nyansa na boy ama entutu ye kuma trebu so firu kuma ko do progression fi asa na ba kwetna enti Nyankopon enti me de encourage so obetna na mi shira baba
shout out prophet for the adventure ediaba and I also meet my friend of course at 23 minutes after 6 a.m. we went all the way till 8 a.m. Gonna watch the story na jumedi to swing na ye dey be some papa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, I'm good.
Mido na what to say
We had me asante no offense abofo
asante offense boko
ya mi had mo offense ya imagine je me say imagine je say be ma ne dey bata o te buzi ya be ma ne dey ni problem o ba no problem ni na be gina oba no so
okay
so no oba be ha ta dey oba ya mpaboa unu aba ko hu na kum so no wana so ko nyo bi wo se ne kan ko ko but when you be o se ne kan o je wo yire no e be ni ya so no amo ba no omo against no the better na wo be ma no ni problem o ban ne program ni na kan so nti be ma de oba wale ya also make sure that anye bia be make sure the high die so so be ya oba no be no o de ta bi so bia oba na ni de wo nya bidda na go nsem
Mirasiki asante offense so abofo Nyankopon insha papa for contribution pay one so odiaba be part of the phone call us now of course 24 minutes after 6 a.m. Hello, good morning.
Ben, good morning.
Mido now what to say
You are the one also.
Nyankopon adom patcho me so no hoye pa yenti wa no pay
So the new I forgot
so work on
I'm glad to know.
e danyamia say patcho enti o
to know the chef ya na bakura mo.
ade
Bakura mo.
Ade ebu safari mamo
We are crowd ni easy. It's one hour to dine for no tima. Steady man. Most young men and time to tell them muscle. Man. So your bar and data and man members around.
okay
So some ramano no out no other for the talk. Now we talk on what the beauty.
okay all right
About the could you soon how I want to go on. Now I have to tell you if you are one that's a ruby. Well, I'm not be almost at the trial corner of Messapra. That will make no idea of community. What if I am a one home pla? Me must swallow a month to play. I will go on with the end. Hey, to me, still imports coconut wallet. So why you read so the wallet quadia? I'm just our background in the crown of all.
wow I said young boy I said well it's a whole lot of issue but you're ready day you're taught dream and yes so why what do you bet no boost your fee unyama was so what you say so deal with your bet now and it doesn't matter so you let what ina bushia krona mabeka mabushia no and I'm become one who be mushi and I said and I say enye kura we do yiri kwetna ho and the bia ntokwa because we be no dey yiri kwetna na bushia fi na ene bushia fo no e ma no ni ama no yiri esika na wudini si and aso na we ga kese and antade akese and to also call Aribi. And I go to feel we, and I'll share what shall we get to see, and Tadia Cassia, and you got Sa, and I said, you go on, I was very hard. Is it? It's all, and simply, Sister, no, because your papa, but so, why William Man, why? William Mano, wow, Mena Microno, a yasamu, Libisao, a yasawara, would do. We will look up at now will be fee and I say a dear in your crowd. Never last caller na a fee no and she be a bigger for it's nasty na you don't come on to channel as she says so I'm not paying. Hello, good morning.
That's over called
Nakopa Domami. Yes, my Liliana.
That's a practice with this person.
Is that because it's on away?
I will say, so much medicine to and to move out of this story in Lanka, the Quakoda, and a community at Russia for every shape you, as was a commanding through. You can use it, nothing to come one. What I do, we have to finish a few because we can gain another. And no one knows should be that.
Now, Michelle Starkos, what kind of simple? Or sister, I got no business in few day. Contain any crank over that I contain a crank of Hyman, then I won him. Hey, I was a fee, and simply, and some say, but you wouldn't Nasa or you got no business fee. I should be pie for us to be a yadia would be Debiada. Wow, you're live on Facebook, come on with TVGH, live on YouTube, come on with TV, Sam Darkos Initiative, Sam Darkos TV, so you stream live and see a subscribe to your channel, na like your page and comment, na share na afofo so be and share. Mr. Wada me say like your page, you know. Comment, share na afofo so be o drop your comment or why you can kind their mom so I share for money and no pay production crew for this morning, of course executive producer for the show Area Sam Darkos Sasso, and I'm a director I see Adomako Junior Oji Sasso, and a famous and share MC making sure say bibia be kama a day amaye. Of course I no pay you didn't chast on us somebody in chast on local comma your bishop for one more do first lie Fosia we no be see egu nyina na ye chiamo edamo sese anope bia no mojibre na mohweye obwase fo so a mohwe program na anope bia so no ye do mu nyina se Mr. Bako ewo jeje ho eja ya ye pe garini beans no aha ye garini beans ewo jeje ho obusia Mami matching Nakopa Adom Nahoye Naminim say Monso Mohoye so India, especially every Monday be an ofia wo shey yes you that's it. Tiso me akasa medawate se won se modie ba ko base for die ba ko eti hanti muni programming ho agro Yakopon insha mo Stacy anope mi chop papa Danny Boy and Branty in clothing. Thank you for watching the show wherever that you are. Yakopon enye wakuma so de fa Luta Noble amankwa Bo Steve ene mo amano ni na abra ko kuyichia mo nyina wow ma me mafie na me mema ya wujafo no bakon at nasty and to be at nasty idea what I'm me try me who kids where be abansana maba na maba mana kwa but me try me who kids where be aba stay with us. We'll be back after this break. Yeah. Of course, Koa live on Facebook, Koa TV GH. Makacho say from Monday to Thursday we give you strictly politics because I had Uncle Kufuado. or better be so we should be citizens and not spectators. So since we are entering into an election year, I will say yes, so no, yes, citizens and not spectators. Ghana, no, yes, you know, say what see you do. If you see you know, it's waba, which if you are now so wabre and I am come and send me a brain idea. Still, I know the TBR, which what waba, and your papa, and your bonio, which be a koyu, and koyu, which be, and to look at some obre, obana, obekos watiana, ekosise, obesisa, because wabrana, pokofaba, and also, and you know, Makacho, Monday to Thursday, strictly politics, and of course, Fridays, now yeah, the trending stories, no, the abroad, Naya, and just tell a friend to tell a friend, not just say, catch on and say, hey, Diana, and a big for at Nasi, be do Ghana home, and come on, and okay, we are the offer, Madina, of course, we are the offer, Bernard Kelpoku, I popular known as offer, now, will be our FN, or Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC and pay of a decline at Nase and to make offer her Macomana Quaba na feel me yesterday and corner for my check offer on what to say and of a just a Michelle oh of a batch of that of a Yamisha so Yamisha
can be praised. Now, in the modern book to the Ghana economy, because also the contribution to a mind growth now. A day was a 7 previous a union, a Bonapasso, a son of Sine. Now, mention this in Penufua, a Jimere ATM, and can you are Sapon, your vice chairman, our national, but one Ashanti region. You cannot say you boy you move at the manor. Sana Jaya regional chairman, Nanakosi, Andrews, Mano Monero. Now ya come as one pioneer say, Yaminya ya Drumna 2024, Yentua Banu Nanka, Ashanti region about 40 to 45% today. Now it's me in your region. Wow. Because you know, say, Quambias was a winning election 2024. Really, and I'm also determined. Oh, BBN will bet me a C and this requires a young win in 2024 election. Like seriously, BBN will bet me a sequence. Political party position, presidency, no, MPP, a year Kufuado Nankasawa, hand over at the MNDC. Oh, hand over the MNDC. Oh, a young Marginana. Messi. One pounds over fear, Canada Japan by 2022. I'm handy over the MNDC. Now, officially, Nakasi Bettina Yensa, near Sum. Also, be my dear. Now, one tinensa or the amount, but it's up to you, sir, Bettinensa. Now, what year? Sir, can you panel or the more carbon say be a CBS and say be out of from the idea, Mawa? A carbon say, oh, idea, made a halfway my offer. Now, what say behind the amount? What say? Won't say, Yada Hong say, Medimount. A break Kufuadri, yeah, not going to say, won't hand you over power to end this, you know. A bra or Ginny or Politrim say, Quambia so Medibomiana Bebana, Mahalan, Cash Emma. One woman book on me, a Japadia book on. Me show so I can. And so we share primaries now. We share preface in BBA or come kind of clear. So they will make sure someone who took over the reign of this nation. Or be making sure say MPP leadership no Emma Asante Asante Mamubium. And no more agenda no my year and no more achieve aim. But what you say? And no more agenda and no more year and MPP since 2020 no. Na woman nim pefe say enya de say bawumia no de na ba beje power o ma agenda nyina ne say nka kanaforiata ana ko mo pese kufu adu free wa take over. Oh na so no the finance minister do be there when we talk about achim mafias do mutimi yenye bi ni o achim mafias akufu adu asanti bedi atu abedi atu ana gabi o che da akọ so mo ka wo mutiri ni bomu a do mutimi yenye binie na MPP Richard ana nenom ne saze ko sam na wo mutimi nka no kran kire wo mo na ka beso maka no kran kire wo followers si ye ka wo mo di MPP hwam a Richard Ananum and Shayasun and Richard Ananum. Because only the wickedness of MPP near Kufuado at Tim Mafias, but to make one what.
Well, this morning, I didn't have a person be sound as I summoned that poster, the person be sound and say. I bet you, say, ever since MPP, I'm on your question, at Swaba, Eddie, His Excellency, Vice President Mahmoud Baumia, say, Omijna. Nature say unsiakai and for my MPP amanyuko say coming 2024 election as a flag bearer no ehwabo NDC for amache say say muye muhihemo as a muso His Excellency the Vice President ya elect no as a flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party for the year 2024 election muso no and I say so
say NDC call election bimu fupa and NDC could share candidate to be a fupa
are you sure?
Me say 2024 election and Lancaster Crab Bono and Lancaster Crab ye esine Baumia. Baumia forcing a candidate to be NDC meeting.
But a man for beer can say the one bomb because because he said the moon him say hey send your TBiano Charlie, hey, it's a president. And a more dear.
Now, what's woman no sorry. That's your mantra. One will say, oh, Mako Fabanchi, I prone a day bread Ghana for. Now, so you make sure say a baby package, say a quabi or 1 year before we are more. Ghana for I say, oh, when in the young winning and NDC to crab by and no Musrobomia. It's in a side the way in ever. Make up Baumia be only credibility.
Are you sure?
Yes.
One more. I don't just only
Baumia put him so
it's just a title.
So the first meet the place. Yes, His Excellency Nana, so was you already in the touch and Yano.
Okay, so
okay. And you say Yanka His Excellency doesn't mean say
sure. Well,
and you touch so you're the ballot or in the bar. His Excellency so will be any
exactly.
And yes, you're disrespectful.
No, I understand you.
That's it. Good. Bawumiano when say you got credibility or credibility problem or lack credibility. And champion for now and say, yes, I yakoton banchia apro. You making sure say you be ya say you be ma adiana ya konobi. And no one no ye. Nobody in the NDC. I will through Baumia. Baumia ba ban me and I'm big I can say NDC 2022 NDC who say you win the 2024 election. Can I get one country home? Ya boabia some was a man or kind was see. Say MPP package Baumia. So de koma Ghana for it is what why ye prekonam what se won kama de etusha na dia kosi zongo anase masala chite wo ton kramoni wi prekonam and what the prekonam akosi eho but we na ka che say if fundamentals are weak exchange rate will expose you at that time I can no see don mama $1 to you see the na 3 cedis. And $1 to your city, na you say, and 12 cities. Somebody will be away now, okay. But we are catching a gun of one, you know, say, under 1 what 2 years of a Kufuor administration, meaning 2017 to 2019, no village in Ghana on Benya ensure any toilet issue. But we are a car.
That's all my baby.
Ewa hene, Madame Boame. Miko Kroke Sibian will be the disabled. Krokesia power asante mantu amuya the whole community na toilet ba kokura ni ho omni school for no and toilet one school for toilet na no so kura so a tan se ma mi bia anya wadom alfa wa nko fie se yenko na me nko boawa sebe toilet kura bi ni ho nansani ne ya ensuo ama a school for other secondary school nipa mienu anu secondary school nya community o
na say Abba His Excellency John Mohammed ti abenya kese no so no say no we nyina ihu bebre and I watch
enu tinga enu kwa say wunyi ya yensla kwatia no John Mohammed tam yes problems were there but John Mohammed fa nya abo
Mama can't you be a me babe yewe. Well, no more some not, but Umiani Kufuado can, you know. And you did judge you all right. Ubekaya and Kufuado in the video no credit or bet me about. Say, but Umiani and you're saying you know what it is.
Sano presenting.
Yes. Was it Baumiani and Yamia man saying na it means a Kufuado Nagasa or Nimiansa, it will believe in Baumia geology. I don't know. Make us without thinking so. Me see the Kufuado can you know. And now, missing my producers in more video on the tea. Was it Baumiani? Or then you're making Yansen na one can say economic Yansen, you know. Or then you're making tea a Kufuado see Baumiamano 40 points. So almost buy year within 2 years, the my year. And what time inflation? Domama di jan 15%. What time had the 53%? That Baumia.
That's what I know. No master.
And when the chase a wabon, the chase and people for a born say, and near masters, a son of woman say, Ukraine to Quabeba, Meboa, and went to near manage you. Nachina wouldn't say, a China would be 2025 no condia, another and to Burkina Suni Melibeko. I'm at the Oyenaba. And we a penny nearly 2 minutes shower, sir. Woman, the Jew who she send you may say impo forces to be back. Domama time. Ebola ba Africa. No one that's what make sure say a bint me Sigana or she shame who ye and only a fair badin banyans of war and to offer some Mr. Bisa who to Mr. Bisa say Sebi and to say ya His Excellency former President to Opeso Usabe. She say Wakaku woman ye na Sebi Obaya Obabini Yamagana Yahuto. When you obey a catch the way you bitter. Mama back when you are swinging a sika when you are less than 60 billion. And so you are terminal 3. And when they are Kufuado neba, no one bo, free pot on a bar at Tiano at Jitika de Gunibotum. Yenya Tiabo gas. Yenya Kumasi Kajetia, Yenya Kumasi Kajetia. Sika ye patu home for my Kufuado se pape. J. Now about the Central Market to Crano, what they are born Silim, and the Central Market a Jaguar. I
Central Market Kawasan on Oba.
Central Market and Kawa.
It wasn't completed.
It wasn't completed, but all Banesi cut that way wasn't what they are completed.
It's Excellency now, don't go for by no since Cabiano.
I know upon.
That's it.
Shut me back or 2 You're too sweaty. And now almost kept second face now, your mama Baokatan or Catino, country director or contractor. Catching a real singing now, sir. Project ya project ya dey and say ka na ye jawako because phase 1 and phase 2 sika nyina are ready. Wa ka kire Ghana fo nyina. Sika ne da ho nti sana na do ba na so ko fa sika no ekobo silem na se wunhu na men kan che se na sika bia na ho. International airport Kumasi phase 1 phase 2 ni nyina na sika da ho. Eso ba ya broni be ye ni nipa boni semunti. Wa jani nyina to ho. We are not catching some agenda 111. On Panida Dakofu. So let's start a cross for market. Meboa. And I am for send this for the mom pass and to force them. A mom pick massive for some. And we'll buy 1 year. A Kufuad will bust 7 good years in ye. Cross for market that's so that. And you're born here, bro. Not 1 hour, Santiniba. Nakasa Mesa for 2 MP because we will meet too much. I mean, Casas when I'm from Manus. No, quite woman say. Say if your party can't change you, you have to change your party.
Okay.
Party now who to abamanu intimacy sawa brabo. Some million masanto 40 ya mimi ya santini ba me yo yukuni ye kuoneni. Na se MPP ni intimacy sama brabo eni asantemu ya brabo. E brafu sa me sisa MPP no. Na me kwatu abama party obetimi asisa asantemai abrabo ama asantemai.
Oba ya wetimi aye na fe de oba obetimi aye.
Party ya oba ya wa ye dan wetimi aye. Ji obi a wa bon. Ono ga san dis nye bi ma.
This no mo mboye.
Dabi.
Okay.
And this one more yet to my Swansea market. No, we are talking about growth from back.
It's not only the development. If any say market, any
idea. Once you can be said, a bit that will no more.
Okay.
And now to be a penny.
All right.
Sanya no quality development. And people might just one. What buy your call for watching power cast war your children say Yamaye. I could say,
and people are one year.
Being one people better than South Sumakas and Mayama Santa Maria. Education, they didn't come home. Because of education, I have Santa Maria.
And yes, Santa Maria say, you know,
way as a host. and a journalist media.
I'm only asking.
Maybe I'm to say to wow to a free education woman to why I say. Tell your gun education at this a contribute to our religion. And it's education, I have business, and the year running this year. It's a one budget.
Okay.
Yeah, fair and serious. I don't know my MPP won't, or what you are. I am say, I be you. What can no be a free SHS? What was I say? Free SHS, I had traffic light. I correct me co school there, school. I got 3 weeks. No, I bet you have better 3 months. And you know my as for mine. If the party of MPP can change you as a Santini, change your party and develop a Santi.
Okay, offer. Thank you so much. Another famous Saka Neji. MPP communication team member Shanti region. Mr. Homogena to na offer ken na uti nada. Say Mr. Bisawa no pay say. Abetuja say NDC forecast sa the omo kayira and say wabo womo sir makwakofa His Excellency Vice President Bawumia Diaba say o ma misi akan emfa mama nyuko kese MPP coming 2024 election. Have you heard it?
Yes. Medawas na mefa akonya wesunchia ayahwefo nyina. MPP mo majebro mo hwe. Menchia Ghana mampani. Na dodankwa Ekufuado na minchia na bedichire also the flag bearer of our party, the New Patriotic Party, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mohammed Bawumia. Mami enchia omo bebibi omo. Na minchia the Executive Secretary of Dr. Alhaji Mohammed Bawumia. Dr. Augustine Blee.
Okay.
Mami enchia no pa na minchia mami the Chief of Staff of the Republic. Honorable Akusio Sefri Mopare. No so ne dwumedia wo dipo aban we nyasam keto anti mam chia momi o bebi o nam chia me am godfather made na chema no de no ho kwaku apia kuka chema kuka bebi o bia mam chia nende anope wo ne dwumedia no so dipo a asante party no menuaba Dr. Alhaji Mohammed Bawumia the New Patriotic Party yakoto aba 4th November yeji no I say to abane wie no NDC fo ne ntumenna nti fi sesemri kopem 2024 ebeto aba yesan be biti wo mo no NDC communicators nyina benya kompo because omo be kasasa nti zeze is opese wo disturb NDC fo a wo de wo tete wo mo anu abo Dr. Bawumia dini omo be kasa fiti tama abo Dr. Bawumia dini no kopem se ade beche
Nasa muso mote ya papa Mahamadi na muso mubo
enti endei ohu se omini of atabetna ha oranti a wontumi nka the alternative because no cre Dr. Bawumia eko elected no ye to abama Dr. Bawumia on the 4th of November 5th November 2 p.m. then this after emergency meeting our national headquarters 2 p.m. 5th November 2023 then this after emergency meeting on Dr. Bawumia because I was almost strategizing how to attack Dr. Alhaji Mohammed Bawumia because in the year 2023 normal communication strategy for the year 2023 is to attack the president, the vice president, and also paint a picture to the Ghanaian people. Say, MPP 4 Bokrono. That was their communication strategy for the year 2023. It is a to Abama Dr. Bawumia Kurani de as some bro mukro den. Because a name say a nay from crank to crank, obedient to menna. I ne Omashasia tribalism no mu penti wo Ghana ase ningo pram na shebegani Sam George when some waka kire muslimifo when some jamfin some waka kire muslimifo na hwefifi kote nsama mu ka kire muslimifo on the name of say MPP4 akwakoyi Dr. Bawumia unim a kire preference a ma consider defeat so mon consider defeat ya ekeye so leading a party now more ranti wo krom ha say ye muslimi ni emma me president
menti so makasa o
oh Me enchire wana.
Mente say SMP NDC for sorry aka say omompene ema Muslimini ema meye president. But the Martin say no more can say Dr. Bawumia say be so say be yado oye kramuni enti stadia or stick it to the religion once and time say you know it was like some judge was saying that it was becoming you know religious a prostitute. That's what I heard.
Okay.
Thank you.
May ye friend saying Fifi kwete de ama.
Okay.
Or say okomodernghana.com. Or say a Muslim cannot be president of this republic, Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Fifi kwete, the general secretary of the NDC. Or say Muslim meaning to me mam medimam peni menye ye or Ghana.
They we disagree.
So to say, it ye elected Bawumia no, the attack on the Muslim community. Seminiano Muslim for Mfanche NDC for no. Because the etu yes ade ni nyina omo penti Dr. Bawumia omo kika nsam eto aye Muslim for no nyina ne say NDC be wini aba ogina nema miensa so na de wini aba. One, ogina ne strongholds so the northern region, the Zongo communities and the Volta region. And the wini aba. Now face wako asanko ka kire wo mu say MPP for ya Kamfo party. Yejo mo yes ade ni nyana na mi kire no. Omo ko penti picture ne say MPP for ya Kamfo party. It mama nto aba ma wo mo. Ye ndisi for the air manfra. It enne ye present Dr. Bawumia no. Omo campaign message ene omo strongholds no e shake den. Because Dr. Bawumia already oba MPP mu no wabe make improvement ahodo awo MPP mu. Oko the northern regional na MPP kura 4 seats na NDC kura almost 27 near 31 seats na the entire northern region.
Okay.
The president Dr. Bawumia ba MPP ma o sha say o rolling out in nyoma ahodo okruma. Say and in the northern region MPP kura 16 seats parliamentary seats NDC kura 15 ye biti wo mu. Iti ayam se share na to wo mu so. And after in the Zongo communities omo nim say omo ko Zongo no mu amo say MPP for ya Kamfo omo ya Kamfo party mama nto abanye den emfa ma wo mo no magina so ayeden ato abayeden e de ama NDC for and MPP present a friend saying a Muslim or a northerner it be so say omo campaign strategy no omo campaign message no no dey.
Are you trying to say because say His Excellency Dr. Bawumia Baninte no said you Papa Mahama is shaking and
me say I am sincere pa. I am sincere
because you think so.
Because now strongholds ni nyina no. Wabro ewo in the northern region now class seat 27.
Okay.
Ni input and as an impact no.
Okay.
Wotumi aba be beat to 16 ukra 15. It wo aka yem hwehwe ndo also. In the Zongo communities, oko kaka say MPP for ya Kamfo party. And ne wasisa ne niomam and ne wa kire Ghana for say me party na ya Akamfo party. Ne mum eya manfra party. It wa wo yem hwehwe. Afenso, yem for the northern aspect ne kran to ho. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia are competent enough to lead Ghana. Or competent. Say NDC for say Bawumia any credibility and your mama grade Ghana credibility. But
JDM he's also competent because Obi Abedi president daddy. And then I just on your competence.
You're competent. In Ghana phone kon swatch you. John Mahama ye too no. It was a referendum. Na Ghana 42 John Mahama. Because no president, no candidate be wabetna kunya so. Na yakopus na Ghana for over 1 million atwa betia no. No president awabetna kunya so. Ghana for.
So you think they will not vote for him again?
They say Ghana OTSPO Gabra. Or say that 1 million. The Ghanaian people, they are wise enough. Omo ma obi me deceive you. Ghana for any atepa omo ma obi me deceive you. Because and now we are seeing a digital age.
Okay.
We need a critical thinker.
Okay.
Yanko pen kukobu nkitingiti on. Yanko bobon yanko kukobu ni yanko fan kuko nkitingiti ngumo. Your Mahama ni vision no. Immediately about bo a blue economy. Your mama say kai manko kabia. Nkofon meta say menye competent. No kofa 24-hour economy buy. Baumia ka blue economy pe o se kai ma me ko pe bimra esa nkofo no be ka se ye difference
but the other two just so now what you so anka is the best o
say 24-hour economy do mama huni ma de ko onim economy no onim de we sifa economy ne kom 24-hour economy in central for media houses awodo won run 24-hour economy mo producers omo ba na ju show ene radio for omo nya bi
they do
mo health service workers omo run 24 hours
most of them does
security affairs agencies omo nyina omo run 24-hour economy eti joma ma oba be catch yen say farmers no mbeko 24 hours ana
is coming to add up
24 hours farmers mbeko 24 hours
because oba be nya adwuma ni be because be nya bi nye
woni bibi and me no kase uko the manufacturing sector uko companies akese omuye sa liquid soap omuye nsuo omuye big friends anyoma na omo run 24-hour economy mebwa omo run and then your casinos ahodo ha omo run 24-hour economy mebwa restaurant ahodo omo run 24-hour economy it what is John Mahama talking about something am catch say ono free say your short memory eti na waka kire Ghana for dey bia me kan say John Mahama no so one time obi anim say John Mahama wo one time na John Mahama so aka kire yen say ono ntumi fa one time and fix the Ghanaian economy John Mahama say ono ntumi fa one time enya adwuma bia it bisa ho a wa otifie ne say John Mahama na o one time no so ntumi fa one time and fix the Ghanaian economy then no baba be ni mission pa ne say ni mission ne say eti na make say Dr. Baumia is competent John Mahama Dr. Baumia is competent obia o pese Ghana di o pese Ghana etumpon no entu na ba ma John Mahama aje say omo pese Ghana esantiti konechi eko the olden days aye faso ye nioma no na obetu na ba ma John Mahama but obia pese o mind moving forward o mind konenim no obetu na ba ma Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia because and na me no ka say so we share Dr. Baumia or compare Dr. Baumia and John Mahama. The issue is Dr. Baumia enye corrupt. Dr. Baumia enye corrupt. But former President John Dramani Mahama they are corrupt. Wajini din wo Ghana ha, wajini din wo Africa, wakwajini din wo international.
Corruption there is everywhere. Obia
but when who say president bia betina kunya so awaji adem de pen. What to say vice president biaba krom ha the committee first and the president asset a committee say yen because of corruption activities Baumia unti bie but John Mahama die unim say JMS asset a committee say yen hwehwe president Mahama mu because wasoma ne so nkoto play mla na o say play ne yato ne so baako na play hanga crowd de beje Ghana for $17 million the fix play ne mu nyum no o man $1 million what be that John Mahama corrupt Dr. Baumia incorruptible
na do anu
so that say it made him anu say no MPP ko yi Dr. Baumia no ayesa I am hihye
okay
I am hihye to wo mu so nka I am hihye nto wo mu so a ye to abama Dr. Baumia on the 4th of November 5th November na NDC hold the emergency meeting at the national headquarters of the NDC
asa
it is I am hihye a gomeza
nana kasa bebre minim so rebate house di rebate house sana
the way a woman kwan ama waka na ya na mbisa se MPP akasa omo ni omo communicators into omo dwene adwena akasa e wadwene omo wobi ana omo dwene se ukase obi rantia brofo ne aka to omo tim no omo ntia se ntena anana dwene se eye brofo de ma menka ne sa what is the meaning of rantia de wo yes is ya na ye de ne Number 2, minyeso se Baumia ne Akufo Addo ne MPP a minu e kaso ne nyansa pa ne ndiomu obi wo ka papa bia ne fe no osafo maafo
mpacha wan
ni type ben ne ba bontina e mark ne de Japan ka se MPP fo ne jimie wo ka sa video meba o ka sa se na mo o ka kasa bebre ba mi ye din because na se me nya rebata na ma kire ne se ne nyansa wo fo ko won kasa sa osafo maafo ne ka kire Ghana fo nyina se Nkofua free sirem ayeni resources a eboa wo man growth no eni kwase mo ya president me boa na sampa madam wo ye host and now ye journalist asema me ka me boa na sampa
chamo anonko
ambe so yi ma no se eyampa anyame na make wasafu mafu and the call eastern region
ofampa cho de mo anonko me pese me interrupt
and me ka kire NPP for say John Mahama ye tani Why ceremony? Enti one of ceremony so yenya bibia timber gold ni ade ne bin firi woma. Enti won manya ya afi de Ghana fo ni. Na nim say anekasa wo ka kura wo di wasantefo na tem. Asantefo na adiwo kohwe nkwa no. Na wo mu say NDC fo se mu de ya mu mpesire mu fo asem tene saneta ye nkofa sem ni mra. Ndi se sem ni wonim nyansa, so wonim nyansa ye nkofa ne mra. Wa asem ya wo ka wonim so wasantefo no kura wo di wo matem. Number 2 wo ka ma me bi e friend osla owusu.
Mpachawan.
Wo ka se esro owusu ka kire Ghana nyina se sebin preduasa domama yesiremni wo yetani etini kwanse yeto abama de ematani esro owusu ena wo ye communication minister and digitalization minister ono kwa na dwuma na ayi ba umayi ba ya wabeje ayi Justin Kodua adnama yanwie no sa yemfa ya no nche sa wo si NDC fo kan sa mo ya campaign nti muntu abama esiremfo ema mo di mu no na se ne watu abama esiremni na wo general secretary kaka se NDC fo to abama kan ni da eti wo mo to aba Saturday na dwuna o omo to abama esiremni NDC ni so nko yix akani na kasa na enye nura no eneye and what ya presi this political party because when we say what fail wo man nti and some who do be 25 for Baumia because NDC ni problem with the Baumia but there na wo kasa fifi kote Felix ni ayika ye no seven previous kremoni bien wa waje communion edi me boa ka chem sa me boa kremoni bien wa waje oil sama koto mo fa oil mu mapampam and Bible na ye de ho ato so mem ye Kristo ni Bible ni say so be ye nwuna ye nwunu wo be ye hia ye hye Ghana ye what 3 religion 63 ye gidie Islamic tradition and Christianity egu bien wa obia condemn but ade na sofo ni ko asori dem anom ka se mo betena ha Sunday Saturday no ma fa akoko ase motuom na mo ko aya papa nkom beka me pato mi busa wo
no
wo ka se ba wo mia we ko ka kire do mama se enkamofo na ehia wa ha na wo do mama wo bepa de wa ha ena de wo de John Mallam John ba wo mia o I was saying to Abama no nti yo bia sabi wo nim say ye wo religious unity na se enkamofo former president chief imam atonisation no na ka se ena de wo so aba ha bi na afi de opeso utuba na wi e wo committed is sorry dem am me ye ma sorry akokoto ne de communion ato ka tema so no wadi
ya ma the communion na mena ndi
see bawumia ati communion to nsem ati ka tema so edi
for that one that we didn't see
me see me person ba me ka kire o so bawumia akoje communion wadi e wo methodist sorry dem me ye methodist ni mapa
I want the any dear man when I am sure it's excellent
but Ghana fo nim
and you communion and because
oh yes sure
that's
and me catch you say wa kwaji won say de ntia wani abri nyina ni say do ye na nye ay haram it was so person ye na defend it.
I'm not defending it.
You are defending it. Adia ba umi aye so tina na so ka say you are not sure and me just ba umi aye straightforward
the time of us and e ba mo ne say minim sebe so sebe yado his excellency vice president Kramoni and see I am sure there is no way sebe so sebe yado obeje communion because ya Roman for kra no say ye nwa wonya yefra wo asori dem ha
maka asori okoji
Matthias
ana machiro
the time me bem say Roman for Methodist we take communions we say other churches to take be yes but say me bem we say bisa obi mu a me dey me see me hu say odi communion but now here aya ye Christopher yi aya ye nko shake ye papa chief imam
and ye condemn we tie ni ye enti de kase ye wo badwen banyansafo na nimdifo obi onye badwen ba no wa ya ade a onwini nkwa akiri and because of onnim nyansa to onwi the consequences me ma ko to say to mama konkra mu fie no the same Baumia catches a hadian cramophone about now awe papa dear wa. Alright. Because what did you make us? I don't chance of Baumia, the credibility, you're not doing what form, the name dear form. I want to be new woman near the Nukuratun China. Baumia catch and say, oh, you're economist. Okay. I know what catch our Kwame Sefaka program to say. Ghana baby, I want to hear. And he said you were here, my way, and you can't say you left him momo because I hear for the dorsal, but about me, I can answer one. Madam, and you, me no ne communicate. Oh, I hear what 2% mental. And just make me pay me, person will get me. We be so because some of you want. But me, I can't, I will be FM. Say, Ghana, and you can't see a living momo, or Kayana wanka. Of a patch, okay. And they are living momo, and I am living momo. Baumia catch and near Kufuado catch and say, on mine baby, you free taxation. Aka digitization. Near digitization pro, aqua industrialization. And that taxation a few and as a few. And the tax in the momoso. Tax in the sanitary party so. Maybe so. And the sanitary party I turn be a 10 cities amount. Tax here doesn't quiet 6 cities. 60% of the tax. I was sanitary party. So tax could be as one. Oh, madam. As my I said, who package MP? No. As women who can make us a tax. But I say, let's say 60%. Okay. And your tax in Kwa. Does it make sense? Sure, it doesn't. And a woman, but your work will no matter some your day, madam. Sabamia Bano. And to Mama can't be no one. Tikasia we agree. All right. So we are bandrim banning and safona say, Bomotiche Casacho or Tini Casabeboom. Sure. But because of MP before any Baumia Madrin was from Tidomama Casa, was see, I could not wouldn't turn us so. Unless a baby will be a trouble wundu one. Yan criticizing Tisa, who turns you, no one turn me ya, yan can't them man pam say, one no pop. Because man pam did them soon. So wouldn't need president either. And make a president as him. Because go forward, me can be and a minion to Miss Dasse. All back on your thing, I know what you're going to say on my own. Now, when you are the papa be our bay pa, then so said one work a money a mamunti. Nanso John Mamma Tiswana, not all criticizing, and I come in and one come away, Mina come one and you didn't mountain him now, not yet. John Mamma, ye young po, went to Yanko Duru. Now, what did they say? They would do a minus Banechi. More than 20 years backwards. And the year can no president of the Republic Timia catches media mapim. 1 year na die no mama for my name to me so. The mayor no metimia intimon train president Fufuru Awoba. Sadana na Kufuado hand over the match on Domini Mahama. All right. Because when you Baumia ana abobreya no say sia de wapim. Baumia nyansa ne nimdio de there no to obetimia ye no wantimi anye. And it's an idea, moon train a buy for Madame, make the manusi. Fanusi offer. Sabaumiaba says here, Minister say, what Darumo, a Musan will be a free moon. I want for me, Juma. Obey me upon Napo. I do to obey me upon a Greek minister, obey me upon some crofona, who for the do my ferry or don't obey yet, Manameba, and then people forward, Nana German or Becca for Maba. Abba Juma. Not what in a night, ever by Yajuma blessing was a man's at all. Say Simon say ya o ma bon watete asantema ya pansan an wo kofo mu ati ansi safu fro ben an akufuado Baumia board be tina akufuado bu o mu bese se de mapem na John de mahunu so wa ye bida na John ne make sure say atu abu gas beba amenne yenko Nigeria nko pe gas yenko baabi na ye make sure say 3k ensuya ne ni kumawu ensuya ne ni economo ensuya ne ni kwawu John Mahama de baye to extend say wo ma Akufuado na nanum nsuo no yanyesa komne mponche ne nyan nanum nsuo no enu ena Akufuado ka say ko fa John Mahama mera mera CP of NDC communication team member Shanti region of course Meko brig na nampacho wonye ribata obia wada Roma ye beko ye next wakasa me makasa one on wakasa two. Okay, Brema, what do you want to say again? I mean the message is near uncle. Sir, menu aya de bia mekase. Ye kokase fidie so say TV say radio. Na ye koka ye party asemwa. Yenka hu say
yɛne nipa bɛɛ 4 ɛna edi nkɔmɔ
sure
yɛwɔ de ɔmo ɔmo nim deɛ ɛwɔ soro kyɛn yɛn yɛwɔ mo a yɛne ɔmo nim deɛ ɛde ɛyɛ pɛ ɛne yɛwɔ a yɛwɔ ɔmo a yɛnim deɛ ɛde ɛwɔ soro kyɛn wɔ mo pii
yeah
nti deɛ ɛbɛka no ɛno no mbɛyɛ de ɔmo bɛfa na ɔmo de ayɛ de ɔmo de akɔ yɛ kasa nso ɛyɛ no patututu sɛ mo franso wo fi ɔmo yɛ de ɔmo hwɛ nti sɛ wobɛtena radio ne TV so na wo make such utterances why a very great disservice to your party because obi abeka say party na wo mu no ni manners because so to me betena ha katre obi say obi adwen wo fom a can you imagine party a wo free moba it a true prefer say NDC party no aye nioma mienu na edi twa o mafuruma aye etro ane kontompo ane edidi atem ana afesu etutrasem itenu bi ena obetena ha o demonstrate no iti kan wo say wo mo aye ne omo kasa no eya kwanya be privilege ene yenya ne abetena ha nyeze mo hwe ye no yenim de wo so but you see
who catch you
masa o kasa na me wa o kasa na me wa so that say you better keep quiet chain yourself
that's your book.
It will share sema umbetina omobrozu a me say from now to 2024 ube when this because omobe kasasa because obi a otifie bia nim say ampa Dr. Bawumia Daruma ye free bibi mobile money into probability say no say me say John Mahama internationally wakose ho Africa wakose wa into probability na nunie internal enunie the ten say interoperability ya oka say o ya magana for 2016 o say 1.2 billion dollars ten yo 1.2 billion dollars mobile money interoperability e ka mobile money interoperability I mean say me send mobile money free me Vodafone so akọ MTN every MTN ko Tigo every me bank so ye de eba me wallet so I say it is that transaction no and your friend mobile money interoperability John Mahama in the year 2016 say o ya magana for with a whopping value of 1.2 billion dollars Dr. Bawumia ba no se metwam de BCBNC no trust adel ni adel ni a friend acceptance switch otwam no na o se meye because my ye bi pen me ode Bawumia or the just $4 million 1 2 3 4 million with saving Ghana over 1.1 billion ikadwa Mahama ni NDC for mu ba be wies Ghana kwa Musa share certain switch for this. Omo call International Court of Arbitration. No mo call judgment debt. The judgment debt na mo so omo call no. Nyame on pebo na Ghana nyame e tie Ghana echi and e bubo certain switch for. And then me be catch say John Mahama internationally wa ko say wa. Wo tena ha obuafu. To play bra. What's your two so bako? Hanga $17 million and how did you Ghana for? Your fixed plane mu a tape keken $1 million internationally. Why not say oh? I don't mama. What is about me? Say international.
Of course, you're live on Facebook. Come on with TVG. It's live on YouTube. Come on with TV. Some Darkus initiative. Some Darkus TV. So no, you should be live. I told you so from Monday to Thursday. No, you're very politics kakra because we're in an election year and you be twaba. Penny for fra or beshe ama Ghana yakoye nim patriotia say and you want to be citizens and not spectators into Fridays not yet the trending stories no na yet the aba abesomo some papa studio ha that's what I don't want. Mpese bibia boko me of akajagu na akajagu ma sana mfifiri ya ateme enti me penesta. Well, a couple of messages are abano and me really be edia ma quick last na makoje me nkrato. Then we'll move on to me final asama mpese ye dwendwen ho. This is from Ebenezer that says that good morning, Lady Diane. Now you have actually changed your show into a political show. Oh, that is also a political show. Oh, I'm very disappointed. That is why Ofa has left your station. Well, he has not left us. Well, so then corners not forgive me. Yeah, moving on. Yvonne Mensah states that good morning, Sister Diane, of course, and your entire crew. Keep up the good work. Thank you so very much. Yvonne came back to say that Sister Diane, of course, said don't listen to any negativity people because they don't actually have any right to tell you what to do, and of course they choose to do on your station. Keep the good work up. Thank you. Yvonne came back again to say please choose your wisely, of course carefully, because you are on a live television. This is an SMS that came in from BBC that good morning. Of course, this is becoming hot. Trust me, I like the NDC man, the way he comes in when Nana talks, but in all, NDC should give us a break. They can never come again. Mahama, we know what you came to do. We don't want to experience any doomso again. But BB, of course, we're experiencing doomso and kakanka crowd. And now, baby, I don't know doomso. That's what to be now. Ba and so doomso no so no. I could say maybe. Oh, me feel na eno akra makoto lamp mono ai energy makoto lamp mono enti me mvom sika wa me ai see kakra pran dum so no
oh ndana technical challenge ahodo.
Oh my, I'm moving on. Even can say please choose your work. I've read this one. I'm back on Facebook Live. This is from Pizarro. This is I'm watching you from Kwame Danso in the Seni East District. I love the show. We need a change. We need to change as Ghanaians. MPP NDC can never help us. Yvonne came back to say a whole lot of messages. Charlie, but I'm going to buy better. So stay with us.
Oh, how to make for Dory for bigger plus amount. Selja wonoma a boost to immune system. Make sure say come mojano she, the cano serious one. A kuti iron getting kitty be fully pedrian. Sarah na milk no complain said, Hunam Ninaja. Na me man or Dory for bigger plus no. A boost to immune system. Make sure say a can in mojano she. Ama and Nemu Edgina brand. Hey, sir, Dory for bigger plus. And if on a mania drabia. Who called your motor drabia? We are Dory for bigger plus. Hey, Dory for Vigo Plus. It is our heart capsules.
It's in a yada, the catcher must say, oh, now say, oh, and now what pumu I am ra. Na say immune system no annoying. A banasa, oh, yeah, a drobit is a Dory for Vigo Plus. Na etimi boost immune system no me chese ebeka omujana no hye na etimi akwetia ya re kran biara a ewo ni paduani e maro mfi se busumi edikan no wo fedro ya wontimi ne ohukani enhia oba kai se obeyisu panty liner na watimi di woni ehu enoma ebesnako minua bema kai hunu se busumi ba akwa kwantu enafo enti se wontimi a no apebibi e de abo omban Rifa Vigo Plus, and yet open for an abofra winya and fear duminu.
Abba, I need your 70. odifo bakopa awurade yi no ama ya wiemremu ni odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa dodo na friend no awiemfo ba papa yempaibo wo kwiada na waye susumunwuma nso efiada na ne kwasi da nso so no wode asori checheche apie so amaye kona kohwe odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa nsekire ne dia wo ye japekrum empokire ben ne da wo so konso ben no bonsam dia to wo so yinyina ebebie ama hoto aba de wo pa aware de wo pa akwantuo entutu mirika enkopiem ewo drobo japekrum papa san ehwe ne a woni bie enyanka papa hwe won nyina gye mmofrei ehwe won kosi se wo befiri ne nase akọ de dadwina ye ne sokodanna na wachi wiase afa na nyina ahotoma wontutu mirika me enkopiem ewo drobo japekrum fre odifo ewo 0243 356583 odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa osi awiemfo ba
We're live on Facebook, Kumo TV GH, live on YouTube, Kumo TV, some Darkos initiative, some Darkos TV, so no, you streaming live or message say, subscribe to your channel, no, now I like your page, no, comment, no, share, now a phone, so any baby, your family more education and pay offer a NDC communication team member Ashanti Region Stanza Naiji so a MPP communication team member for Ashanti Region Suduza asomoye amanaye shipment so mempenesa momani nyadrubo infamame wow ene nana ostre me na yade amehwe nim me no me komanim a nesa me pegdi bia amanfo start to me bomb from last week but as usual enye eho na mehwe me de me the meeting na no we want to be citizens and not spectators. Wow, maybe star tell them bisa mo say sebie so sebie nyato abetudwa say ever since say ye to aba edema His Excellency Vice President Baumia say o metu franka emfa emma MPP amanyoko kese for the year 2024 general election as hu ato NDC for so a man for Cassasi, he said, NDC for him to show almost through a year Baumia, almost through say, dear, or Coswo, dear, Yem Papa Baumia, and a Yem Papa, a Mahama, or new on so Chimpe Party, and Shakraswa, Nay Dr. Baumia, Abunisi from Ewo Norfolk, and to say, dear, Asem Nano, it's me, I did. Well, but yes, I'm to debut and I say, NDC for Akasa. Dromo Kenya says she Baumia na ye peno. His Excellency Baumia na MPP for Atuaba edie yino and I said dear mano say ome flag bearer from party no or no ye pen momo si so no say ye ni kraji ajano ye Philippa say or no ena oba no krebi wo musa mani aje
mame oh me bon paya man people for pa say type of campaign omo ye omo koso no nye nsa on se ka so obi adwini so a ya na nya atem didi o usu ne wo ban wo ne ya wo dan na di no ene ma ye hu say wadwini so a wo ye maturity de wo ye wo ti ase wonim the consequences a ewom ba mi na share sa de na se o ba mi na ko voter region oti ebra wo wie wo ye ne campaign wo no kaka say NDC force onu ye siremuni kramoni na nyade se MPP for beto abaman so ka sa story na enu nti wo ka kire wo nuanum zongofo na hye ne bose wo ka sa story no ba wo mie o nuanum zongofo no ahye ne bose se MPP for de man nko ade a on beto abanti obeye NDC ni doma ama showdown e wo zongos ani for na te onya enkramofo na te oti wo won fere be kase NDC fo wo win sati kramofo na wan ana man kramosom no agin hini wa Ghana ha NDC and a man Kramosum holiday, no money holiday, and the NDC regime. And a young man who did the Fatani the Adana, ye public holiday. Oko call anuma quotation the mankind. Bakramoni Pia of TB and TM Sameboa. Was he so wouldn't near Kramoni po? Nessa onya dear be about Puama was soon engineer. Ye not touching it. Nakofa will be our new Nisa di Kronum, 1 year Kramoni name, 1 Puama Krabo soon engineer. It is in the Quran. But when we are by Nansani ya Galu, a Honyan Krabo community. A soldier for a quashing crow for a Shama, a Honyan Krabo community, Nyazongos. A soldier for what is about me just one platform so cry upon them sa acting. Adam Ibusau. But Umiana was so yesterday, it was yesterday or back, a tinian same form to Abamana, Domama, do yesterday, Nasabi, one wally, anybody, Honaka, cut traditionally. Traditionally, I want a wedding. Catching them one wedding. I say, what a kind near Casa Asante, and be a sing. What be a country was Asante wedding since century, and I make what? And yet I will be tribalistic, a reality. Going to when you're seeing one for one therefore. And you say, you can't know in a nation for and not sabi and tough for a wedding. What do you mean for who crowd to your mamma? And did you walk connect a sumna woman? Now the young fan said, Montakas, Haruna Drusus, and this in Gulus in Iron Cramofor. A woman in Asom Batuabama, who Bawumia because we are Cramoni. Na MPP for no so musuya Christopher Waji difuano. Eso nyina ndi sa so silomba to aba ama to mama because we are assemblies of God ni. Vote to send aka ya ubenya. And this ye politics. Na say say yan kono religious side. Me when ye woni me. Madam for power bia wonim bia wo politics mu power madam for power number 1. Aye Musa Abatwa. Oye Kramoni Baba Wudu. Oye Kramoni Abdallah Said. Oye Kramoni Minya Abdallah wa guna. Me now for kesia pa in terms of because Musa Abatwa and na me frame Musa say Musa me ko baby da me pemoto Musa de because Musa ne mabeduru ya baby wo bi oba be fa me minya na je wonye because who some yan this ni eso me yasantini ti sawa eso odoni ni ho what you say enti ye na ye me mommo say MPP for number wo mo kwan no more use so religious because it say John Mama de we ye Christian no Islam ni so nya Muslim na e ho so na we nya ni vote it is say mo amu e ba eti monto abamma no mu nua Kramoni ba sabi ye nua no Kramofo no nya mo o because utina na change some ba ya wo kanyina ase wo inciting Kramofo na tikatie en Kramofo ni nim say NDC ana man Kramosom etimi agye hini omu national headquarters esiwo so okay Rollins and the Mallam land etimi nya kokoduro di call parliament say mundi marketing land we say farmer wo mu na take fo mesi edan we farmer wo mu
enti back to my question no Dr. Baumiana ena abeto dwa say most mo pe ba mu nsuru no
madam we man pipi nim say ye nsuru Baumia enu nti no ma chance ye di eson okay ye campaign na say esum po ana mo de ye campaign a tinam ka to say o de enkramofo nyina to ma Baumia
all right
o be so ka tell Christopher so mbe o magini me come me root but on tinam ka say MPP ye ka politics a wo o mo ye destroyers of the nation democracy adia mo kanu won fa mo say resource ne nsunsuaso de be ba daachi o can because of nia power hwe Baumia de ye nyina ye nim one people ni kura nim say Baumia de 2024 be lose election no na o lose election ni wie na tina wan san fa na amana akofa ni pafoforo ba afi asem be message be na be ka kire woni ankramofo na wo di Baumia no be ye campaign no hwe Canada Japan say de na NDC ye mubi ye dwene konka ya na ye suro Canada Japan kakra ne say wo de one Baumia compare Canada Japan will be a appeal to the grassroots
okay
Canada Japan will be a or creative Canada Japan will be a or cannot drink and Ghana for so penny power ye fair.
No right.
On penny power ye da for. And the Ghana Japan Kwani will be an anchor or bar MPP seat in it. And go betting united, but we for every night Alan Crawford.
All right.
But we also ye bema pa won't conquer country Alan say or some back to the party. Remember, I want to a baby. So what in 3 days as I say, yes, walk or are you fee?
Okay, honorable Canadian.
Can I get profit? One we need a banner, I don't want coffee anima.
Oh, say, Ebiana.
Ebiana,
Ebiana, Eden, name, say you have a course. As if you me fear, I'm a bar, I'm going to do it. Let it be powerful. Let's take a look and
Check the word carrying when he answers who grew. Canada Japan, where Canada Japan to meet in our platform, you can say, or Belpoa, I'm one winning. Alan and Casa, Alan Boof. Because when you say establishment, I'm with the year to man, 1 minute or man for no. Okay, panel, and there was a what Tina will start the whole year, and your question because Christo yes who can say, Papa Bia will 1 year, and what didn't ever have a crop, and a back up pay Lancaster, you know. When Lancaster won't affect upon a Greek minister. But Jim Bano, who be quite compare and Lancaster back up with Janentini because when him send Nantini, the Madame Wede, Montemo was where Banny to a cockran, blah 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 man, but dear, why you ran dear? Will be a canon, will Nimbe be a walker, and tis about me, and will be politically matured. I will know how to take an election by stormer and got one on the hop. And there was a walk up. Now, can you Canada Japan or the what support from day one? Okay. And the American in other said, and you did the one MPP.
Okay.
Number 1 MPP, person who criticizing be said, but we are credible by winning. And it's almost we are more. Now, yes, I can say, oh, we are moody. Oh, yes. I dear me and sub madam under 2024. A betting yes, save MPP. Number 1, somebody used to let our commission dear WM. Ombe yusu military adi abutalazi amanfo said wo moye no techimai eni se hwe so ene 2020 election to ye techimai but B yentimi kai up to now oko se hwe so a asami su book A up to now ye nim vote ye nya
all right offer
and number 3 the twatwo say ombe yusu judicially do be kan say court. It is a watcher to my 1 year. One say, oh, my appointed one communicators. Send a Nigeria, have any call radio to come in. Near appointing one quiet electoral commissioner. Does it make sense? And will be a day. And to me, they may catch the MDC for only Ghana for nothing. Say you're too abandoned.
Okay.
Never when you're never sorry as on Atanichi. Name see a two abano. Nessa Baumia when it. Nessa a binding similar to may use military any
declare no.
Messi
and declare.
Oh, someone might be that. 2024 election, I go for the Lusui. Oh, touching my Messi, I go for the state institutions and the so and acting in some man there. Upon a new to say, you know, and I'm for the it is already sad and bad dear. The veteran say, Yentasuko, we knew. Because you dear in Chasum Ghana, ain't even continue.
Also, I had a civil brain, Yakopo, in shower.
10 minutes.
Okay, man, who said 10 minutes? So I'm giving you 10 minutes. Me interrupt so.
Unim.
We are paid, Namco family course, me pick DBI.
Unim. Ghana and ship. Ghana be Ghana be ye MPP in Kwan bet me Ghana ye. Because NDC for no. Matnas radio sweet TV so akasasa but who say omo de any policy alternative ahodo aba. Ntom kasa bebrebe ni nyina no. Eye bibia o. Omo nim pefre say papa na omo ye campaign man no onye credible. Omo nim say papa no pa omo ye campaign man say ombedi oman nanimu biom de omahama no oye incompetent. NDC for no omo nim. Tina Spio Gabriel ka kire wo mo. So, don't elect a corrupt and incompetent leader like John Mahama. Spio Gabriel na ne catch the NDC for say John Mahama or ye corrupt or ye incompetent. It mean this for to amama no mo be party nani mo biom. And after so Sylvester Tete, former venture capital CEO and also National Health Insurance CEO under John Mahama. or say it will be a useless exercise to vote for one-term candidate like John Mahama. It will be a useless exercise. It ends if no one say former President John Dramani Mahama or ye incompetent. But omo packaging is say Fanimesha Ghana for so. No one that say and the omu tone the tribe the tribalism of this country. Some person mudin chichemuba and Muslim for and a Christo for. That's tribal politics in a shame. So to say, a term. You better keep quiet. So to say, why not? You're too about Massa. You're too about Okrum. You're too about Okrum. What is MPP Nibia Kotra Radio? So, I can't say about Mia Cremoniti, Oberini, Baumia Cremoniti, Oberini. What is MPP Nibia? You've been out here, can in some job. You must better keep quiet. Who's young people? Some judge. Work for the Mammy for some million.
Also, 10 minutes and one bemba could grab patch.
Mammy for a yes, a medium feedian and chassis. Or say, the country cannot afford to have a Muslim as president, Sami Jemfi, on News Africa, on News Africa.
What kind of
maybe some judge or say any Muslim who enters first saying any Muslim who enters the church is a religious prostitute.
I heard that one live.
Some judge can on Metro TV. MPP or MPP ni. Adentina obetina krom ha. Na painting picture be as if you say MPP for ye ni eti krom ha. Yeah that tribal politics no. Besides, as some Muhammad and then say a Muslim cannot be a president. And a Muslim for na swarieti as a debi. Penin kasasa, mo kasa sabi, montanas na mienu. To wetina krom ha. Now be paint picture be MPP for na tribe. Ba unyana ye no ne huhu na atomo so amamo kasa bebre wo krom asa no. Besides, Ghana ye din ni nyina, yase Ghana ye din ni nyina no. Eye better than John Mahama era. Better than John Mahama era. Because ask yourself, and then ka woman ko 3 senior omuko SS na. Nkesikasa na ofa ko tu admission fee. Ask yourself say, sanka 3 senior high school ni hwa. Ekabisa nsa ho kire na dize wo grom. Akwaya ya ye wo Ghana ha me na negement na han kan kire say, ya ye Ghana akwan nyina. But akwaya ya ye wo Ghana ha no. More than the NDC ye. Ye wa Ashanti region, ma me limit me who to Ashanti region. Na me throw a challenge. Emma no say. MPP less than 8 years in Ashanti region. Kilometers of roads hayedi aba Ashanti region. 1,800 kilometers of roads.
Okay.
1,800 kilometers of roads. May there end this phone. Omo train kilometers of roads. Omo de ba Ashanti region in almost 8 years period. Akwan MPP aye bipa. Interchanges ahodo ya je bipa. Obetina ha betan trobi. Say 3K water project be KKK water project be Kumawu Konongo and Akwawu John Mahama na yeye unim ne woka. Go and check your facts well. Tina make tell say yeah ti aye kasan it doesn't mean so mo hwe no ye nim nyansa chen wo mo they know omo nimpa no ma ye kom no mo hwe 3K o ma pedi ku fo na chat ye bisa wo say yin fo na John Mahama no okoji sesi kan po bae unim be o ma pedi ku fo okoji sesi kan bae. You don't know, you have no idea about that. But what better radio, Sunni TV, so you just want to say propaganda. Jai de woka na koka baby abium. Eti nyuma MPP ayen. Enu ne yekoto amagana vo. Ye ni bibia yekoto, ye ni ewiemu yenko wiemu wo baabia. Ne mum nyuma ayaye. Na hwan no pese Ghana kosro beto na abama NDC. Hwan no pese Ghana di, Ghana tumpon, a osu me kotoma abama NDC. Obien who obeyesa because NDC no oba what the omani titi sanko nechi and MPP why yes nyina no unima de ntia because ya blocking enyoma baby a loopholes na nkrofo efa so ye de ewie sika the blocking the loopholes and then Dr. Baumia na wo kana asem no ECG yenko ECG yenko hwe de Dr. Baumia ye ho wama revenue a eba ECG no eshuti up enkane no na revenue omunya no na wo fom. And then Dr. Baumia Darumei, one more revenue issue to go to port and let's go and see. Port and Mpono, John Muhammad, yes, Wagana Fontaine ye. John Mahama ede Ghana Port Port esia wo for 35 good years. And yes ye ko fa John Mahama ababium. And this is yen ko fa John Mahama mrebium. And the Ghana ni control kese e wo Port. John Mahama de esia wo for 35 good years. Agi almost $7 billion. Yembisa Ghana, yembisa NDC for $7 billion no me de. Dear John Mahama ne NDC no omde $7 billion ne yede and the water tena kroma say ye the tax akwakoto nyoma boa yede ne nyame be busamo because Tamaport na mo de akosi awa ade ma friend investor Vincent Balori for 35 good years no why na enko yi nyoma obeko scot free. What are you talking about? It me say Ghana for. Hey, and yes about me and Nordna. Okay. And now you're Muslimi. Ba umia ye competent. Yan shed ye wo ba umiemu. Na obi ye Christoni. Na se Christoni no oni mamemu a. O se chichire twa me ko fa Christoni na ba. Na se Muslimi na se Nordna do betumi aye ne yia. O se me jai eno ato ho na makwa akofa esa so ye Christoni. Ghana for se me kan kire ndisi for ne nkro for se o ma passa propaganda no. Say the open say ideas for ideas bra. Wo 24-hour economy now koka ye no Ghana for say ya dia to nsuom enye papa unnim ade kwa woka because already your companies any service we work room a omu nyina no run 24-hour. And then bisa no say farmers no koye sa 24-hour economy na ma o mana. Farmers no koye ma o mana say him for no kwa koye ma o. Is these people they have no clue in governance. They have no clue. It won't need clue in governance. In some say having a better reduce no akeka. So to say, and ne Dr. Baumia ya woka na asemi. And ne enkane John Mahama tisono na Ghana nyina ya pe passport ane e konkran. Mebo mo nkanda mse mebo. Na Ghana nyina ya pe passport ade se e konkran. And we bet me take over 6 months. 1 year ansa na onsaka passport. Mebo ana. And ne Dr. Baumia daroma. And na sit na ofie. Na wa apply passport. Now less than a month on sabeka passport. This is the vice president and this is the person. Your person will lead your mind to a promised land.
But Nana, how did the person make a cry? Because staying in so better now with you now I plan 1 year in a month. Sometimes it doesn't really work. Unless you go there.
Oh, say who apply we be you shall be behavior. Obe call office why they akwakoye biometric. So to say, me na neje me ya me passport. Me tina me am fee. Su me am document kura me. Me apply in June. July na me saka.
Is it because you're an MP?
No. Me use the right channel. Man use the protocol. Me use the right channel. Me ko twa me biometric e we duma say senate nchen hono.
Because me
e hono me koye me de.
Me cram
premium. Me ye ni premium.
Okay.
So to say. Me ye ni premium.
Okay.
Dr. Baumia na ye ni sa o. O se tina ofi nkane no ye nyina ye fa ka konkran. John Mahama oteso de no tumi ye fa ho. John Mahama oteso no de no tumi fa ye fa ho. Ebio ask yourself. And the dia emofra bo Dr. Baumia basu nyina. Esa NHIS no. Nkane no na uko ekokotena eye omo office. Ube delay so person renew mpa. Ube delay for over months. Dr. Baumia said na ofie using mobile phone. Na fa renew eye NHIS. Anything happen for about time bo Dr. Baumia basu no. So to say, it's a head and John Mahama are competent enough to papa way.
Alright.
Ebio mama from Anusiwa. And now doubt them now show your mudu munkani and as I would like to preparedness. Dr. Baumia said now fear for phone. Not Tom Kani and be a free way in so. This is the man we are talking about. Hey, Abrocho Kwas and your money in any war. And that's how Ghana Cardia can answer me. And go for Musro Ghana Cat a Kakayo, a Kakamoto be a Hawumu. And now Quabrocho be our unique number. Uko diboni ya becho mebo am kanja za mebo and then this Ghana card that Dr. Baumia Daruma o lead or champion here no and then no ka say 40,000 airport across the world at Ghana card atum and ne o Germany o UK o US na say o say o ba o memo na say o fa your passport now you can use this Ghana card. This is the man we are presenting to the Ghanaian people. And then I wouldn't confirm any kuko kitten say me the omo kwa koma first Ghana
me da CP offer we got 2 seconds me uncle
Bibia make you very bad. Your game is very bad.
I say wa kwa chem so be so on kasente na offer
ankasa no adwene nyansa
offer ya na ndia
so important ya na ne de no kan brofo ntina ye o say o so o kan no mebo mimi nka do me kan twi o kan brofo ntina na ye o say e wo say
brofo be na make atam de die ben
me see adwene ni nyansa ye di
NDC de mu ni
MPP
NDC ni bi Kasendis in
especially Baumia. Because Omoka Sama say Aquala ya won in then water. Young funny say Airbus scandal a yellow cray. Domama a for him. What about 7 good years? Abaya wa ya badrim benya safwa and Katam wonye woduma. What the catch is Domama Ton Airport? And I say a port a yellow cray. What by ya? What say deals? I hold do I contractors cry what Ghana no what me do what na 1 year say mon family me hwehwem ti so nim nyansa asaban Akufuado ba umia ban a na se wo bia ye di na se ene wo man ne nya ana nti na ka won kunye ho adwuma na se wontwa di no because o kai se o ka kire se interoperability ye onka domama ye ni sei wo so mo kas mtin ka so mo adwene wo fomo wo si mo na wo de ba ye but ne won kana fidie so me hu se aya adwuma domama and starting here and ka wo bu ya wo ba na abeye ni ye mini se enye wadwene ni unyansa eto so mienu okay mpacho o mu youth organizer mpacho tie na so ma waka
fachire itefo fake stamps na boss fake stamp na boss fachire o de fachire o na mi fachire o mo na ye ni say no bia
dominated too long
fake
it's time for Muslim to leave Ghana
all
right salam MPP National Youth Organizer. Okay. What would the other day? What would me account will be at? Where do you say? Chinina MPP for airport. All right. I Chinibia na me obia ni wa na dwene mu da ho pa se wa ye badwen bo beto abama MPP. Okay. Campus ba umia. Me economy na Akufuado ni ba umia be page aye. You must say economy na true say wo ba no so be kaya o man kan je say petrol 1 gallon 11 cedis 1 gallon 11 cedis and 12 cedis
that now the trust 68 no try promise 11 cedis
and 1 liter 12 cedis wo say why ya de MDC to me sustain this and they get inflation for 36 months.
Che.
36 good months.
Yeah, but boy yes no.
36 good months.
Boy yes ni entie.
Nana, why you?
About me expose.
Who buy you to the peja?
Nana, please allow us to talk.
53 highest in the Ghana history. Catch him some boy. Ghana inflation. 4 Republicans and Nuru even 40 that what me the year 53 and we are what country say who
Nana please
inflation first time in Ghana history 4th Republic Akufuado tamu inflation and they call the highest digit and the year can say
okay
Akufuado ba umia omo 8 years na so
all right
Akufuado na catch 2016 say 8 years so na so Ghana for my 8 years so na so to kwa for nkuku no nkakako
okay
na yenhwe aban foforo because say obitimi break 8 wo krom ya madam so ani afi aka Rollins eke wo break 8
okay
so we you Rollins free work on company
na idea assembly
30 seconds
on company that
1 second idea expose me ba talk ya carry me call it
woman rebata me de woman bio
oh no but I give you chance to talk
who rebata me say me na me yedi ma na wa ka say me na who say
na idea be na be so
intimidate why unim
me ba na mama
afa mo kasa
so na je ba program so no ye sa de we na me no me born na paso
hey masa
okay because what you chief of staff na ehwe
can you imagine can you imagine yeah mami 10 billion yeah 15 billion mami just 30 seconds mami just 30 seconds 30 seconds
Ghana ye wo we o ka chem say what the 1 month enya wo visa enya people communicate
use the internet
I told you to just do you didn't really so
hello
no call a line so me father na when ya hello good morning
Diane
middle
because I catch MPP for no mo kan o ma no ntunu
okay
so mo gbe ni ma se wi a o mo kan o ma no ntunu ena ma mo ye din ye ho hwie ni ye to aba MPP ni ye ho na do kura no mu kasa ene entagana asuvie odone fa hodie ni ha no man kan dokra because resident we see that be an asma obekano e asma e resident to kwaba utumi kase afi ake anim de make me nyefe wo hu inti de obeba no no abaye inti to so ye de because akonya no nya papa dia ene sigu fie ni sase enyafo mo ntna so mpani agore o man na konya inti ntimi ye bibi afi ewe anim na so le fie so na de obetinya obaye no mra me da woni se ne waboro kakura wo ntiyafo ho no omu ji omu interest oni atatu ABS kana buboro na oni ma de crowd ni bade waboro si ka 200 a ne 200 na obenya untu aso abete twa nhwe we ya mamu edibu o man me se omu ko manu ni kwa so omu ka so omu gbe ni ma se me se o mai mo edin enkura kwesua enkura me enu school ko efie kwesua dan 200 cedi eduma be na ye ma ba da no maya se ba o miano kurana na hoye me hinu no de wonere na ho so abesi so ye 2024 enti ni no ko dia na ka de na na so so fa lumba ya strema amu fa na mra no ne wo ko ya no so ya yi di wai na ndi ni
Friday obeba enti no let's accept a change ba mo so musama ye politics ka cry active Fridays waba. Hello, good morning. Also beat me a friend na yakwa kame 9 minutes, so call me na yonko. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, Mpachada mama neso kakra me.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Sweetie Pie. Mpachi nti wano pay.
Hello. Morning, how are you?
Mpacho majoso, mpacho mwanonko.
Yeah, I'm the television. I like, I congratulate you for the. Yeah, that boy started sitting there talking about the NPP. He is there, he is not going to vote for Bawumia. He knows what is going on in this country. So if Nana is talking now, is to listen to his father. Because he has grown past him and he will know a lot of things in this country more than he. So he should not be there defending Bawumia. If we are animals, we are not going to vote for Bawumia again. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your contribution. It's so welcome. Well, you can also call and, of course, contribute 52 minutes after 7 a.m. Femi, na young Kwedi Mediano Ebenevi Anessa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I told you, maybe a friend free.
Now, your friend will see you in the again.
But you're 81 of it.
I'm a concern the purpose are MVP and this you know my vision. Just all on attend the Amazon better. No one, I am here on the day. You know, Muji, or Muji, and go first to come from Ghana. You know, when you're doing this. What I say, you can't call it more. You're doing it. So the money was here doing so. I'm now to you. So I'm getting here. Then you got such a put all. MVP for her, I'm doing it for Mati. I don't know somebody else. Matter we have other things to do. Or MVP and this, and probably that.
Yes, so that's it. Also, beat me a friend. I am 7 more minutes to go. So, I'm not vibe. They are Ghana. See, these two parties normally do. No matter what, it's MPP or NDC. Finito. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, man.
Mido, Pacho, didn't baby a friend me free.
Yeah, from me, Martin, make us a free Western North.
Jabo.
Yeah. Yɛbɛda mo ase ne adwuma pa mobɔ ɛma yɛn na yɛnua no ma ɔmɔte wɔ no yɛbɛsere wɔ mo ada yɛbɛsere wɔ mo ana nkanka yɛnua MPP no yɛsere no ada yɛ ɔkeka no sɛbe yɛn na yɛhwɛ TV no sisi yɛn no yɛnya nkwala sa o yɛabrɛ wɔ mo sɛbe wɔ mo nsɛm ɔmo ba abɔnten ɔmo keka no yɛ na ɔmo werɛ fi ana ɔmo nyim sɛ this time no social media nti deɛ ɔbɛka bia no ɛda hɔ ana yo beka bia no edaho nti omo nkasa ja homa na eden echichiri omo hwe bibie because ye ntima mufo ne ye bre omo ne ye de kakra hwe omo afo no be omo ba de omo bibia na omo keka ye nso na nya no na ye fili wo ha o ma me se ta o ye transaction je o papa ne kan se ye mo Dr. Bawumia Abaso abe ye no ma me ta o ye transaction e bra o be bre mpo no o sika mpa wo de komo obi no etia na so o send mo mi mpo sika kakra ye se sante mo mi ko ya ye se sante no ma me ye ko ya na se ye bai Obetra we won abon atafo hene se wa ya dia me bi nka yesere mo mo hwe de bi na o man na nya o mo dia o man ye yen Ghana for yen ye dia na ye na yenim nipa ye de beba ma me da wase na djuma ba
so me da se nyamenka ho be bia wo bia femina yenko yenim of course akesima kakra bi now me sorry Jimede so 55 minutes after 7. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Ode wo mpacha odini baby afre me free. Le nti wano pe.
Pacho antipini no okasa tuma. So the man wants to go ye. Don't have the man. Abuwa.
Pacho ite oh. Anyway, sorry about that. Also, bet me I'm free. I got 5 minutes. Why is so short? Of course. Pacho, hello, good morning.
Morning.
Hi, darling. Pacho, didn't maybe I'm me free.
Me say me not say me cause free bukuasi.
Na Pacho nti wano pe.
Na me Pacho MPP ni no. Afi no bagana na so halada. Kasa se ni afi na ye die yi ba umi o ono be ka kire say oni kam oba man kam fo ni ayifo krisofo abom na pesi bi kan sa ye bi oba Ghana no kam fo ni krisofo ye ko ipo fo ni krisofo yati mi ti maso achi mchepe mi ni kam fo ni na ibi abom esu ye kristo ni nti so ni ase de ka onya ka ana digitalization or ka digitalization ya oba no economist wabese wabi oko Zimbabwe oko se won economy wabaga na wabese economy afi wase ba digital center mama ni si NDC for me wabeje also digital me kama na cha MPP ni na cha say the word digital was started by Pakwesi Indum abra obey the president initiative na minister no Pakwesi Indum na obey e so nya MPP ni ntino ye yasi sida kuma ba umia je no obey anya sabi sabi anopai toilet we kaso bi sama yen yes MPP for and dokro HCDs Ghana yen dokro pure water ko ya tufi Ghana every Ukraine pure water 50 pesos no ma ye be yi ni gidi se ba obi abi ade by the next term the first term in office no pure water box no ye the 1,000 cedis and beto Ghana and MPP for there is someone. Mama and you be crano, you be crano, you say it's a maybe.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Ghana, bye.
Alright, so bye bye. I'm fat Kobia if you ma aka 2 minutes from my studio and wrap it up. Nana yeko.
Many of
Nana.
Megusua kase. Obia opese o mind bobia.
Okay.
On pese o mind Ghana be ko nanim ebetu mpon bia. Ena obeda adwen se yenkofa John Mahama ne NDC nsambre bio. Njuye kola oye hwanwani na ofre na be keka sansem na oye mambo for first class because opese yesankofa John Mahama ba. John Mahama asem o ka kire ne se oye campaign a tro na obetumi twa do the unthinkable so that the masses will accept you. John Mahama o tina o tomo mrade no yenye mayen ton mrade imam na ye wo man mu eni abre a ye gie man yesi ho with Dr. Baumia. Okay. So ta say yen konkofa John Mahama the corrupt flag bearer of NDC no yen mom konkofa ne ma ne dui o chena na se debi yen mom fa ne ma it me srega na fo munjina mo kama koma ntum yem he enioma agency mu mpo no still President Kufuado egusu ye enioma odoma mo nka bisa ho sa ho kirebre mu Kufuado say necessary and teacher training allowance mean to me like team dundum no or say free senior high school me year free ho yenka hu say free senior high school na some former president John Dramani Mahama daye no oba obetwem because we dey ka try and say nyanse nim se the free senior high school beba ntima mo na ma mo se yenkofa John Mahama mre no mo a threat to the nation
nana yeah that say aba ko
we go for back a contact or be to General for Unit Committee. Okay, program has any other Obepa for Leba. Okay, make you open madam. A tear for a moshe, I mean, Oh, this is the type of failure attitude of NPP. They don't believe in anything. And now I can't say you never pray from you to say you to name Tinaho. Mama because almost you won't my SEO. Meaning said, Nana Nadia catches a good or failure humanity. You to need the Baumia, Banwa, Betty or minus you. Pray back. Let him on Nadia Canono. What see? Yeah, dear mine. Yeah, dear mine with Dr. Baumia. Yeah, dear my SEO. Yeah, dear my SEO. Your mama made the president. Yeah, or made the Briam. Yeah, dear mine. Napo. 2016 one god that na boka was say dia kotoa 2000 etroji nanaji 2007 bam etroji wi akọ yato aba edema atamelsa e say yato aba ma Rollins okay and before cast asin we ha na so anka nye na ponku ma atamelsa kaka to ko be consult Rollins 24/7 nka so when here Rollins na na be tena konwa so okay I clear indication says so to Abama Babumia. It is what okay. So then another case was say a GM mine a seawall because Kuford near Chim Mafia and your mama Pesoba. It's a GM a Kuford ne a Chim for a Ghana ye. Omo Pom Mafia, but all right, made us only Suro, Kakra better free Yo, Madame, of course, Nana J, of course, MPP communication team member, so and so NDC communication team member, of course, the executive producer for the show, Sam Darkus, please, Sanso and a director, Adumako Jr. Oji, as the place said, Oji for something for Sanso, and I don't know if we go platform, so Yabeda, one of my active films, and in the face out, and I Boma Chidom, or MC. I don't be much now. It is about me, the giant. Do hine ya kramo bye